We're in the unknown. Waiting. Watching. Hurting. All wondering what will happen next. But if there's anywhere that can knock the bastard off, it's New Zealand. And if anyone can do it, it's New Zealanders. We live in an incredible country. And there's incredible inside all of us.
Briscoes are here to help with home essentials. So when you shop online at briscoes.co.nz, we'll deliver to your door contactlessly, all with our team's safety and yours in mind. Terms and conditions apply. See online for details.
The name's Man, Stickman. And here's a mission that will save more than dollars. It's vital you do this alone. Make sure no one's tailing you. Now deploy your list. Remain 2 meters from anyone else or it's mission over. If you've got contactless payment, use it, then get out. Above all, be kind and be patient. Over and out, New Zealand. Whoops, wrong setting.
So we're stuck at home for a bit, but that doesn't mean we can't get active. To help us get off the couch, I've got some inspiration.
Try hold a prone the whole ad break. Get on the floor and actually do some stretches or some bodyweight squats. Kick into something or pass or throw into something. Can be a rubbish bin, washing basket, anything. Go outside when it's raining and dodge the rain.
Show us your moves at 2 Degrees on Facebook or Insta, and together we can help each other stay healthy and stay connected.
Now, in these times, it is important for us to support each other. We need to calm down when we're at the supermarket because there's plenty to go around. So be calm, be kind, and think of other people. Over 70% of foodstuffs private label like Value and Pam's are made in New Zealand, so it's all good. Don't panic, we got this.
Just cheese. It's like incredible. Oh, yes. I want to give you great ideas for great food to fill you with joy and hopefully a sense of optimism in these times. We're in this together, so come on guys, let's do it. Let's cook.
New Jamie Keep Cooking and Carry On, Wednesday on 1.
Get all the latest on the developing health emergency with experts from here and around the world, with all you need to know to get you and your family through. Join me, Hilary Barry, for a One News special, Coronavirus, What You Need to Know, Friday on 1.
At the Salvation Army, we see Aotearoa as one big family. And right now, that whānau needs your kindness. More people are relying on us than ever before. Please donate today, because when New Zealand needs us, we need you.
If doing school online is tricky at your place, watch TV instead. Home Learning TV brings school to you for ages 2 to 15. Tune in between 9 and 3 every school day on Channel 7 or Sky 502.
The fun doesn't have to stop. We've got everything you need to turn your backyard into an epic Easter hunt. New World. Enjoy Easter.
This is a COVID-19 announcement. Shopping for food and supplies. Take a list with you so you can shop fast. Use PayWave, not cash, and wash your hands when you get home. Unite against COVID-19. This is a COVID-19 announcement. Cough or sneeze into your elbow. It keeps the virus off your hands, so you won't spread it to other people and make them sick too. Let's all unite against COVID-19. This is a COVID-19 announcement. New Zealand is still at Alert Level 4. We don't move to Alert Level 3 until 11:59 p.m. on Monday, 27 April. The extra week is to lock in the gains we have already made. For now, non-essential businesses must remain closed. You can go into your business to get prepared for Alert Level 3, but you need to do so safely. When we do move to Alert Level 3, businesses must operate in a way that means workers do not make contact with customers. Premises must be set up so workers can maintain physical distancing at all times and rigorous hygiene facilities and regimes must be implemented and followed. Any workers who can do their jobs from home must continue to do so. Remember, we are still at alert level 4. Let's do this once, do it right, and finish what we started. Unite against COVID-19. This is a COVID-19 announcement. Staying safe by keeping your bubble small. At alert level 3, you can expand your bubble by 1 or 2 people to reconnect with close family, or bring in caregivers, or support isolated people. If you want to support someone, make sure you're the only one joining their bubble. For example, if you and a sibling are in different households and want to support a parent who is living alone, only one of you should do this.
Want a low price for longer? We can help with that. You'll still get great prices across the store on a range of items, whether it's for those amazing breakfasts, awesome lunches, or delicious dinners. Great price, only at Countdown.
Just because something seems impossible doesn't mean it is. If money is the only thing standing in the way of something you need, talk to Instant Finance, because who are we to say what's impossible?
Getting your Easter on? We can help with that.
Here are tonight's top stories on One News. There's been a second death related to COVID-19 in New Zealand after a woman in her 90s passed away at a Christchurch hospital. As of this morning, New Zealand has 44 new cases of coronavirus, up from 29 on Thursday. A total of 373 people have now recovered. Police have been manning checkpoints across the country to stop people breaching lockdown rules and travelling during the Easter holiday. And the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge have found a way to continue carrying out royal duties, speaking to the children of essential workers via the internet. Those are tonight's top stories. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Right now, it's a challenging time to look after yourself, your whānau and your money. So for some peace of mind and trusted independent money tips, go to sorted.org.nz to help make tomorrow a better day.
Briscoes can help make your bubble better with all the homewares you need to make your home a haven. Just shop online at briscoes.co.nz and we'll deliver contactlessly to your door. Terms and conditions apply. See online for details.
In such uncertain times, ANZ wants you to know we're here for you. As New Zealand's biggest bank, here's how we can help. If you need to take some pressure off your home loan, or your business could do with some support, or if you're wondering how to bank from home, we're ready with practical options that may help. We're putting all the information in one place. So visit anz.co.nz/here to help.
Aotearoa. With small steps in the right direction, we could all lead a healthier, longer, better life. Visit One Life to help you make small, healthy choices.
Here's tonight's sign up on One. That's your Tuesday on One. Be kind, stay safe and love your bubble.
At ANZ, we know Kiwi businesses large and small are doing it tough. Here's how we can help. With options to help manage cash flow, access additional finance and provide relief on loan repayments. It's all at anz.co.nz/here to help.
TV, but not as you know it. Lee Hart takes a stumble down memory lane.
Generally, it's pretty good.
With classic clips.
You're behaving like children.
And some tips to help you survive your lockdown.
As Jacinda said, just women respecting men's space. And you can just minimise the nagging.
That was the Malaysian government, mate.
Yeah, no, that's terrible advice, obviously.
Lee Hart's Big Isolation Lockdown, Sunday on Duke.
Our daily lives are pretty different right now.
But we can still make fun times at home.
And check in with our mates.
Or say a big thanks to a local legend.
Thank you.
Kia kaha Aotearoa. Together, we will get through this.
You've cleaned the windows, the garden is sorted, and you've organised the pantry. You've done everything on your to-do list and you're ready for a new project. Whether it's the kitchen or the bathroom, there's potential everywhere. you can still work on those bigger projects from home. Start planning now. We've got plenty of online planning tools and calculators to help you figure out exactly what you need. Search Bunnings online.
When was the last time you washed your hands? Go on. In 20 seconds, you can help reduce the spread of infection. We don't care which soap you use. We care that you care. For you and for all. Dove.
We want to dedicate this 15-second ad break to thank the brands who are continuing to advertise during the lockdown. Their investments enable us to continue to inform and entertain you, the person watching this ad. We're all in this together.
If doing school online is tricky at your place, watch TV instead. Home Learning TV brings school to you for ages 2 to 15. Tune in between 9 and 3 every school day on Channel 7 or Sky 502.
Thanks to all those teachers for teaching us through distance learning. And saving us from our mum's homeschooling.
Oi!
Dinner doesn't start with the twist of a knob that releases the gas that ignites the hob, nor does it start in the deeps of a book from the deeps of a mind of a passionate cook. It starts way back in the soil and land at the mercy of the elements in a farmer's hand. And there lies the question that needs to be raised. This dinner of yours, was it loved? Was it praised? If the answer is yes, then you'll probably see it started right here, and oh, what a meal it will be.
To New Zealand's food heroes, thank you.
You guys missing rugby? Well, so are we. Welcome to Isolation Nation.
Say hi.
Hi. 4 walks, just like that.
He's my baby.
You're not beating me, bro.
Trying to keep fair amount of normality to this isolation period.
Oh yeah! Reminds me of that time Julian Severe ran over Izzy Dag.
Investec Super Rugby Isolation Nation, Monday and Thursday on Prime.
Let's go!
Sup, New Zealand? Staying connected is really important right now. And since 2 Degrees customers get 2 hours of free data each day, you could spend ages catching up.
Just be like your dad.
What does my dad have that I don't have?
Is the best man I ever had in my life.
Well, how many did you have?
You're the only one I have.
So why not give your parents a call and find those embarrassing photos or stories? And if they're really embarrassing, share them with us at 2 Degrees on Facebook or Insta.
Even though we need to stay inside, we can still keep moving. Even when you're not outside, you can still move like you are. Because even when space is limited, you can still move without limits.
In these uncertain times, as sure as the sun will rise, we'll continue to keep prices low. Pack and save. Our policy still New Zealand's lowest food prices. Lower, guys. Lower. Oh, that's low.
Stay strong, New Zealand, and settle in with One. Tomorrow, join the record breakers.
We are trying to settle Auckland, so the conditions need to be right.
Then the Sunday team go further to get the story. And later, she's the best, while he...
Sorry, ma'am, I've had a bit of an accident.
...needs to get out more. See you tomorrow on One.
At Bunnings Warehouse, we're counting down the days till we can bring you warehouse prices online. From this Tuesday, you can get the same amazing value we have in our stores on our website. Plus, we can deliver to your door or you can use our contact-free drive and collect service. If being stuck at home has got you itching to get stuck into some DIY, it's the perfect time to get started. Shop online from Tuesday the 28th of April at bunnings.co.nz. It's like having the warehouse at your fingertips.
Kia ora, New Zealand. Due to the COVID-19 Alert Level 4 status, Lotto New Zealand is unable to conduct tonight's Lotto Powerball draw live on air. As a result, the draw will be conducted off-air under Audit New Zealand scrutiny using a computerised random number generator. The official results will be available online at mylotto.co.nz from 9 p.m. And don't forget, while all our Lotto New Zealand stores are presently closed, you can still buy your tickets online. Good luck to all our players. Take care. Have a good evening.
What if social distancing was impossible and finding soap and running water put your life at risk?
what would you do? You can help the most vulnerable families by providing vital hand washing stations and health services. Donate to World Vision now.
Kia ora.